279, we got a seizure warning, so be careful. We're going to look at the code first, then the preview of the graphics. So in shader source fragment 6, in the use ring rendering code, we've added modulus for the ticker, and we're going to mod 3 it by hand. And we're going to get a unsigned value for the bulge constant. Rather than using this hard-coded value, we're going to use this value, and we're going to cycle through the different bulge constants. So when we seek to the correct record, we're going to do a relative offset to either bulging in, no bulge, or bulge out in that order. We're going to do that on the x-axis and the y-axis. That is the only things we've changed, are these 3 lines of code inside shader source 6. Here's what we did previously, and that's it. So let's take a look at what we got. So let's go over here. Let's press 6 on the home row, and then let's start clicking. Oh yeah, that looks pretty fucking cool, right? So yeah, that's why I want a seizure warning, because it's kind of stroby. So like, subscribe, and send money in the mail. You have been on this playlist. If you want to see me play around a little bit more with that effect, you can go to the longer playlist where I take a long time messing around with it. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here. You have been on video 279, hence the 279 in the corner. Like, subscribe, and send money in the mail.